If you want to make your photos look cinematic fast, learning how to color grade in Lightroom is one of the best skills you can pick up. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step method to control your shadows, midtones, and highlights so you can create that clean teal and warm film look that works so well for portraits, travel shots, and Instagram content. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Lightroom editing tips. All right, let's jump in. First, open your photo in Lightroom and go into the Edit panel. From there, scroll down and tap Color, then choose Color Grading. This is where you can shape the mood of your image by adjusting different tonal ranges separately. Start with the Shadows wheel. For a cinematic look, push the shadows slightly toward a cool tone, like blue or teal. You do not need to overdo it. Even a small shift can add that moody, movie-style feel, while still keeping the photo natural. Next, move to the Midtones wheel. This is usually where skin tones and most of the main image detail live, so keep this adjustment subtle. Add just a slight warm tone, like orange, to bring life and softness into the center of the image. Then go to the Highlights wheel and add a warmer tone, such as yellow or a soft golden color. This helps brighten the light areas and gives the image that polished, sunlit finish. Once your colors are in place, adjust the blending slider. A good range is usually around 40 to 60, depending on how soft or separated you want the tones to feel. Lower blending gives a stronger split between colors, while higher blending makes the grade feel smoother and more natural. After that, move to the balance slider. If you want a warmer overall look, push the balance slightly toward the highlights. This makes the warm tones more dominant and helps create that classic cinematic contrast between cool shadows and warm light. If the image still needs a little extra refinement, use the global wheel. This affects the whole photo at once, so make very small adjustments here. A tiny shift in the global tone can help unify the shadows, midtones, and highlights into one consistent look. The key to a great Lightroom color grade is subtlety. You want the photo to feel stylized, but not fake. Teal shadows and warm highlights are one of the most popular cinematic combinations because they create depth, contrast, and a professional finish. So remember the formula: cool shadows, warm midtones, warm highlights. Then fine-tune with blending and balance until it looks right for your image. And that is how to color grade in Lightroom for a cinematic look. If this helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next Lightroom editing tutorial.